Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer Puan Nur Aisyah binti Muhammad Rafiuddin. We are from group Solaris and I'm the leader for this group. My name is Muhammad Fakir Hakim bin Idris, and for now I will talk about the introduction about the mobile device operating system. A mobile operating system (OS) is software that allows smartphones, tablet, PCs, personal computer and other devices to run applications and programs. A mobile OS typically starts up when a device power on, presenting a screen with icon or tiles that present information that provide application access. Mobile operating system also manage cellular and wireless network connectivity as well as phone access. And OS is a software interface that is responsible for managing and operating hardware units and assisting the user to use those units. For mobile phones, OS have been developed to enable users to use phone in much the same way as personal computer were used 1 or 2 decades ago. The most well-known mobile OS are Android, iOS, Windows Phone OS, and Symbian. The market share ratios of these OS are Android 47.51%, iOS 41.97%, Symbian 3.31%, and Windows Phone OS 2.57%. So the smartphone that we will talk about today is the Poco X3 Pro that use the Android OS. So for the company name, it was Xiaomi Inc. As for the name and code model, the name is Poco X3 Pro and the code model is M2102J20SG.
My name is Ahmad Kisti bin Muhammad Zaidi. My matrix number is 13DDT21F1129. So this is the list of hardware in the device that we choose, which is an Android. The CPU is using Qualcomm Snapdragon 860. Moreover, the memory using the 8GB RAM. After that, the storage of this device is 250GB ROM.
Number 4. Display. Display size in the screen of Poco X3 Pro is 6.67 inches, 107.4 cm to 1080 multiplication, 2040 pixels and 20:9. Next, display type of Poco X3 Pro is IPS LCD, 120 Hz, HDR10 and 450 nits. The features of Poco X3 Pro is Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Number 5. Camera. For rear camera in Poco X3 Pro is quad 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel ultra wide plus 2 megapixel macro camera plus 2 megapixel depth sensor plus ultra wide night mode, dual video clone and long exposure. Next, from camera in Poco X3 Pro, 2 megapixel night mode and dual video. Next, for the video of Poco X3 Pro is 4K and 30 fps, 1080p and 30 or 120 fps, 720p and 1960 fps, and for the gyro is east. Next, for the selfie, we got 180p and 30 fps. And the last one for features of camera in Poco X3 Pro is dual LED flash, HDR and panorama. And for the selfie is HDR and panorama. Number 6. Measure market price of Poco X3 Pro is 1099 ringgit Malaysia. And Poco X3 Pro also got 8GB RAM plus 256 ROM.
So for the smartphone operating system, this phone uses the Android 11 with a UI 12.
So I will explain the special features of this smartphone. So the first special features of this smartphone is it has a game turbo. Game turbo features is to enhance performance while gaming at the same time. Block notification from disturbing your gaming session. So the next features is it uses 120 Hz refresh rate. These features allow frame per second to reach 120 FPS and make touch responsive more smooth when you gaming. So the last features is you can record video with 4K resolution. So that's all the special features of this smartphone. Okay, today I will present the management software on a smartphone using Android operating system. So the first is I will explain to you all how to install push-pull application for smartphone. Okay, first step 1 is go to the home screen and click Google Play Store. Search for any app you want to install. As an example, I search for PDF converter. Click on an app you want to install and click install. Okay. Next, I will explain to you all how to install widget on a smartphone. Okay, first step is go to your home screen. Long tap on a clear space on your home screen. After your display being small, click in widget icon at the bottom of your home screen. Next is choose what widget you want to install on your home screen. As an example, I will choose Huawei Music. Long tap on that widget. Slide it wherever you want to place it. After you move the widget to the place you choose, lift your finger and finish. So that widget will automatically added to your home screen.
I will talk about how to remove push or pull software on smartphone in Android. First step, you have to select the setting app from your app drawer or home screen. Next, you have to tap Apps and Notification, then hit the app info. After that, you have to scroll down the list until you find the app you want to remove and tap it. And the last step is you have to select uninstall. Next, uninstall Android. First step, you have to tap the apps icon. You find it at the bottom of your home screen, and it usually looks like several dots or small squares instead of a circle. Number 2, scroll down and tap Play Store. Its icon is multicolored triangle on a white briefcase. Number 3, type an app name or keyword into the search box. It at the top of the screen. Number 4, tap the search key is the key that looks like a magnifying glass at the keyboard's bottom right corner. Number 5, select an app from the search result. This brings you to the detail page where you can read the app description, check out user review, and view screenshot. And the last step is you have to tap install. It's a green button just beneath the name of the app. If the app is not free, the green button will say the app's price instead of install. 3. I will talk about how to create folder on smartphone in Android. First step, you have to access the home screen panel where the apps you want to put into a folder are located. Next, you have to drag the first app and drop it on top of another, and this will create a folder with both apps inside. And the last step, you have to tap the folder to view the apps in it.
These are steps how to install push or pull application for smartphone. Step 1. Open your App Store. Step 2. Go to search section and search app that you want to download. Step 3. Select the app you want to download and tap on get to download. The App Store will ask you a touch ID to install the app. Wait until the download process done and a message will pop up that the download process done. Furthermore, this is how to install widget on smartphone. Step 1. From home screen, touch and hold a widget or an empty area until the apps jiggle. Step 2. Tap the add button in the upper right corner and pick which widget that you want to add on your home screen. Step 3. Select a widget. Choose from 3 widget size, then tap add widget and tap done. And the widget will be on your home screen.
How to remove pull push software on smartphone. Step 1. Tap and hold your home screen until you see the apps jingle. Step 2. Tap on the app you wish to delete. Step 3. Tap to remove. There will be delete app, remove from home screen or cancel. Step 4. Tap delete app and selected app will gone from home screen. How to create folder on smartphone. Step 1. Touch and hold the home screen background until the apps begin jingle. Step 2. To create a folder, drag an app onto another app. Step 3. Drag another apps that you want into the folder. Step 4. To rename the folder, touch and hold it. Tap rename, then enter a new name.